Hey guys! If you want to learn how to create your own logo in less than 1 minute with an AI, this video is for you. To do this, we will use Ideogram AI. This AI is probably the best one to generate AI images with text for free. So you just need to go at the top of the screen and describe anything you want. I will make one as an example. Now you can add more specifications to make the image more accurate. I will choose 3D render. Now it's important to use this image format, and that's it. Let's generate it and wait. Now the AI generated 4 images. You can pick the one you like the most. In my case, I will use this one. I can just click it and download it. This AI is so powerful, and I will be releasing a full tutorial about it soon. If this tutorial was useful for you, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.